Tonight is actually the biggest night in the Australian building construction industry. It's not just in the ACT, it's right across Australia, and so we're very proud of that fact. That's a testament to the people who thought about this concept many years ago.
I think about 70 were turned away, couldn't get tickets sort of thing, so it's popular every year. People here work hard. They work hard for 12 months, and tonight is a celebration of that hard work.
There are so many builders in there. I think we're clutching at straws to pick who is the best ones, because there really is so many in Canberra.